that scary noise? Is a kitty? I can't, it's not long enough for me to play over and over again, but it still does annoy you quite a bit. Let's find a duck. You don't like the duck either. Okay? What was that? What was this sound? Is that a kitty? Is it a kitty? Oh yes, we're going to be distressed. Huh? What do you think? Can you lay down with me? Can you give me hugs? Hugs? There's nothing over there. Neighbors are gone. Come here, lay down. Ellie! No, I don't. Oh, okay, there. Yes. That's right. Speak of hugs. Thank you. I'm sorry. It's funny. It is a little fun because you're so funny. Yeah, can you lay down for me? Right here. Give me hugs. Hey. Lay down. Oh, right there. Thank you. Can I have a hug? Oh, thank you. Thank you for those hugs. Another hug. Oh, thank you.